Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Geeks. Today, I'm diving into a groundbreaking tool, Vidu. It's an AI powerhouse that transforms your text and images into high-quality videos. Creating videos can be time-consuming and costly, but Vidu changes the game. With this AI tool, you can turn simple text or images into captivating videos in just minutes. Want a touching AI-generated hugging video? Vidu has you covered. Need an eye-catching promo for your brand? Vidu can handle that too. They introduces several impressive features to elevate your creative projects. One of its standout capabilities is multi-entity consistency, allowing users to maintain uniformity across characters and scenes. The reference to video feature in Vidu Studio allows users to create custom videos by uploading an image and providing a detailed prompt. You can upload multiple images such as characters or objects, and the AI maintains consistency across the scene with multi-entity consistency. After uploading your images, you define the scene and actions in the prompt, such as describing a character's movement or the environment. The AI then generates the video based on your input. Users can adjust video length and resolution, with premium users gaining access to high-quality videos. This feature is ideal for creating personalized, animated content without advanced video editing skills. The image-to-video feature in Vidu Studio lets users turn a single image into an animated video. You simply upload an image and the AI generates a video based on it, bringing the static picture to life. You can add a description in the prompt section to specify what should happen in the video, such as adding movement, actions, or changing the environment. This feature is great for turning still images into dynamic content, making it perfect for creators who want to animate artwork, product images, or scenes. Users can also adjust video length and quality. It's a simple way to create engaging videos from just one image. The text-to-video feature in Vidu Studio allows users to create videos simply by typing a description. You provide a written prompt detailing the scene, characters, actions, and environment, and the AI generates a video based on your text. This feature is perfect for content creators who want to quickly turn their ideas into videos without needing images or complex animations. Whether you're describing a character's movement, a setting, or a storyline, the AI will interpret your text and bring it to life. You can customize the video's length and quality, with premium users benefiting from higher resolution options. Text-to-video is an easy and efficient way to create unique video content directly from written descriptions. The possibilities are endless. You could even generate AI influencer videos with customizable outfits. Let's try its new AI features like AI Hug, AI Kiss, and more. The AI Hug feature in Vidu Studio enables users to create emotionally expressive AI-generated videos featuring characters in heartfelt interactions like hugs. This feature is perfect for storytelling, emotional marketing, or conveying warmth in creative projects. Users can upload characters, define the setting, and describe actions in the prompt, such as two friends embracing or a parent hugging a child. The AI ensures character consistency and realistic movements within the scene, maintaining emotional depth and visual harmony. With AI Hug, creating touching moments in videos becomes easy, enhancing the storytelling experience while connecting with audiences on a more personal level. That's it. You can choose AI Kiss, AI Christmas gift, and more. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.